Is it on there proper?
I guess.
Okay.
I need some tools.
Now there's
I need
a light on it.
Yeah, originally it came without the mounting hardware.
Yeah.
And then I contacted them.
Yeah.
And they sent it to me, which I thought was pretty nice. I mean,
Yeah.
it would have been nicer if it was all there to begin with, but it wasn't. But
Yeah.
they sent me that, and they sent me the hardware for the bell, because my bell. They sent me a bell, but they didn't send me the mounting hardware. Like there was no ability to actually mount it to the bike. But,
Yeah.
so they just sent me a whole new bell with mounting hardware. So now actually I got an extra bell, but I don't know how to mount it. So, but I mean, I guess you could. And then this goes in here somehow.
You have to like screw it on there.
Yeah, I don't know how. Plug together somehow. I guess.
Yeah.
Wow, there you go. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
And if I turn it on, the light should come on, I suppose. If I turn this on.
That screen turns on.
Huh. I guess you have to turn the light on somehow.
There might be a switch on it.
Yeah.
Or maybe if you ride it, I'm not sure. Maybe it has to be dark.
The backlight comes on, right? Yeah, no. I'm not sure how to turn the light on.
Maybe it has
Let's
to.
see. If I hold this, does it come on? No, turned off.
I think that's the right button. I believe that was. Oh, actually, no, it's one of these. It's double tapping one of these.
No, that just made it go up.
Oh, you're right. I don't know then. I thought it was that. Maybe, oh, I think it might be this. Nope. Maybe it's holding down one of these.
Oh, you just cleared everything. All my stuff.
Sorry about that. Well, look up in the manual how to turn it on. Try joint holding down these two the bottom and the top one.
Try doing what?
I'll try holding down these ones. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah,
It's got to be easier than that.
I thought it was double tapping this, but it's not. So these are there on this.
That's it? There's all the buttons right here.
Can you ring that bell, please? Nice.
Let's see.
The light on. Got the light on.
Nope, doesn't remember it. So, in order to turn on the light, you have to hold on.
I mean, it's probably good so that
No, it
when you have
shines.
your battery running in the
How do you
day,
turn it off?
hold down plus.
Cool.
Oh, there you go. Now this bike has a light.
The backlight's always on.
Oh,
Does it
Weird.
turn it off?
is there a way how to shut it off?
Nope.
No.
Oh.
It gets brighter when you hit.
How are you doing?
Good, Eric. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Getting out of the car.
Yeah.
Know that, yeah. And it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, one of those. That's awesome.
I have one.
You have an extra?
Yeah.
No way.
But I don't have a mounting screw, but I'm sure I can.